Are you ready to see one of the most popular models that Lennar builds? Let's take a look at the Summerville. 3 bedrooms, a den, and 3 bathrooms. This is one of the most popular floor plans. You can see very pretty home. They've got 2 different elevations to pick from. It does have a 3-car garage, which is very appealing. 3 bedrooms with a den, 3 bathrooms. And one of my favorite things about this floor plan is the double door entryway. Let's take a look. And here we go. Welcome to the Summerville. As you can see, right when you walk into this home, you just have a beautiful view right straight back, all of the light coming in to this very open floor plan that really accommodates our modern living and style. All right, let's take a look. So this floor plan has the split bedroom design, which gives all 3 bedrooms in separate locations, giving a lot of privacy to yourselves and guests in your home or your kids. Here's the front bedroom with a standard closet. And then we also have the main bath, so accommodates the people up in this front bedroom as well as guests, as this is your main bathroom off of the living space. So off here to the side, we have our den, good sized den, plenty of room for an office or a guest room or a little mini man cave. We'll come back to the laundry and the garage, but I want to share the 2nd bedroom, which is an ensuite and has the bathroom attached with a walk-in shower.
Okay, well, someone else came into the house while Angie was filming, so she stopped narrating and I'm going to pick up where she left off. So coming in through the laundry room, you can see you've got your appliances here, a mud sink, and then most people end up doing some cabinets in there. Here you do have the 3-car garage, which is great. So one nice thing about this floor plan, for about the same money as a Summerwood with Pulte, many people can step into the Summerville with Lennar. And with Lennar, you're going to add about 20% more square footage, and then you're also going to pick up the 3-car garage. So take a look here at this primary bedroom. You can see it's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, this is designer finished. So you saw the exposed beams and a lot of other trim work and features that the designers put in. This is the main bathroom for the primary suite, or I should say the bathroom for the primary suite. It actually has 2 walk-in closets, which are really good size. You know, for those of you guys that are familiar, if you're looking at the tile in this home, this is a little bit different. So it's a little bit more of the wood grain. That was the same in the place at Corkscrew, but this is a little bit of a narrower plank, a little more distinct look. And then here you can see the walk-in shower. So they've actually gone away from, you can't get a tub in the primary bathroom in the Summerville any longer. So if a tub is important, you're going to have to look at resale, and frankly, even resale. They stopped offering them about 2 years ago, so you're going to need to look at homes that were built 2020 or even prior to have that option. So coming out on the lanai, you can see a good amount of covered space, and then this includes the extended lanai option, which does give you the room to have that table here to the left, and then you can see sunken hot tub. So they have kind of stepped up the game a little bit at Verdana Village with the look and feel. Any questions, make sure you reach out.
I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the Summerville by Lennar. If you have any questions on this floor plan or any other floor plans that Lennar has available, please reach out. You can leave us a comment below, or you can reach out to us on social media. If you are interested in seeing what the Verdana Village neighborhood looks like, our hottest new community here in Estero, Florida, take a look at this video here. You can also schedule time with us using the Calendly link in the comments below.
Thank you.